Hey everyone, Dave Hallock here at Gerry Mazda with this fantastic lease return. It's a 2019 Mazda CX-3 GS all-wheel drive in Snowflake White Pearl Metallic. Let's have a better look at it. This CX-3 is in fantastic shape. Snowflake White Pearl and the black cladding always are a nice mix, which gives it a nice crisp, clean look. Quick little peek at the hood. There's no stone chips. Everything's nice and clean on that side. Same thing in on the grille. Projection halogen headlights. It's got a custom 16-inch alloy rim package on it. Front and rear mud guards, which will give you a better look at the rim once we get to the other side. It's always a tough challenge when we get into the sunny days. Plays havoc with light balances and trying to do the videos, so you gotta bear with me. No scratches or marks on the back bumper. It's got the false floor, which gives you the hidden storage, and then you have your spare tire and your tools underneath. Jack is in the side compartment. It does have the privacy tonneau. And there's your backup camera. Here's a better look on the rims. They're kind of a nice gunmetal finish. Let's have a look at the inside. Got the carbon fiber inlays. Upholstery's nice and clean, no smokers, no pets. Nice kind of two-tone pattern. You got the armrest in the middle there with cup holders. Does have blind spot monitoring, which shows up in the edges of the mirrors. No wear on the driver's door anywhere. No wear on the driver's seat. The car is almost like it's brand new. There's a center armrest. Cup holders, Mazda HMI Commander. Mazda Connect system with backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control, and it's got Carplay and Android Auto. That's what the little phone icon down there is for. You just got to plug in. This one has 49,076 kilometers. Cruise, paddle shifters, radio controls on the steering wheel. It's got everything you need in a pint-sized package. This is the 2019 Mazda CX-3 GS all-wheel drive with CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's right here at Gerry Mazda. Come on down and check it out.